beauties, it's Daisy here if you are new, and today I have a blonde wig install, and I have to say your girl did her thing. This hair is from Donmily hair, so I'm going to tell you how I got this look. Keep on watching, but first let me get into this hair. This hair is so pretty. This is a full lace wig. Like, I'm gonna try to do some pictures or something holding the hair up like in a ponytail or something, because it's super cute. It's 360. It comes pre-customized, so basically they darken the roots, and I just plucked the baby hairs a little bit, gave me a nice natural look. And I also toned this hair because it was more of a yellowy, grassy color, and I just toned it down a little bit. I still like it really bright and vibrant. I don't like my blonde to be too dark. I'm gonna try a darker blonde, but this is super cute, okay? The hair is soft. It does have a little bit of shedding, but nothing too crazy, and doesn't tangle. This hair is official. I've been working with Donmily hair for a while. They are one of the top hair companies, so I would highly recommend them. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So here we have the packaging the wig came in. It came with a black wig cap and an adjustable strap. The wig came pre-colored, which I love. The roots are darker. Darker roots look so much better on women of color. And I'm just running my fingers through this hair because it's super soft, and I want to show you guys a close-up of the hairline. It's not pre-plucked, so I had to pluck it off camera, but it looks really natural. Now I'm showing you guys a clip of how I toned the hair. It came a medium ash blonde, but I really needed a darker color to make it pop, but it came out cute. Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. I'm back with another hair tutorial. Now we have the 613 wig. It came with pre-colored roots, as you guys can see. I did tone this hair, which you guys may have already seen that clip. And what we're gonna do is install this wig. It's so pretty. I'm glad to be doing a 613 wig because I haven't done it in a while. And as you know, in the summertime, that's the best time to wear some blonde hair. So we are gonna take this wig off. I got on a darker cap than normal. Sometimes I like a darker cap because a lighter cap can sometimes show through the lace, but I play around with the caps depending on my hair. So first, I'm gonna take some pressed powder from MAC. This is in the color NC47, and I'm gonna place that all on the lace, just really along the hairline and where the parting space would be. So not too much powder, because we don't want it to mess up with the glue and make it all cakey, but just enough to give it a tint, because this lace is really light. All right, there we go. So pressed powder and a darker lace, as you can see, looks better because it makes my roots look darker, and it blends in with my natural skin tone. So I already snapped some of this lace, but we're gonna cut the rest off, okay? Now we're gonna use Got2b glue to lay this wig. I'm gonna put a thin layer, but if you plan on wearing a wig for more than a couple of days, just do 2 coats. Then I got my blow dryer. We're gonna place it on cool settings for about 30 seconds to a minute. All right, we're done. Now we are going to comb the hairs back. And I'm gonna pin this hair up and put my scarf on and let my wig sit. So I've been letting my hair sit for about 30 minutes, and let's see how this is looking. Ooh, this lace is very transparent. I like that. So let's see how we are going to style this hair. This is really pretty, so I think I'm gonna do a slanted middle part. That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna take my wax butter. You know, it's my favorite. I'm telling you guys, you have to get this. It smells so good. It's Elasta QP. I don't know. I was out of town and I forgot a wax stick that I used to use off Amazon. And I asked for some wax and this is what they recommend and I love it. I just put it all around the hairline and then I go in with my hot comb. So this hairline looks so good, you really don't even need any baby hairs. I'm just put a few little swoops. The only thing you can see is just a little bit of glue that I'll clean up before I do my makeup. But now, I'm just gonna take out a few little baby hair and do something with this hairline. I'm gonna take my styling mousse. All right, we got that done. Not too much going on, looks way more natural. You know, you want some baby hairs, but you don't want to go crazy. You don't want to look like, what does she got going on? That's the only way I can explain it. And half of them are covered, so you can really only see this side. And when you use styling mousse, they don't stay in place like you really want them to, but it gives that more natural look, which I like. So we are just about done. We got the hair styled around the hairline, and now we are just gonna curl our hair. I'm gonna use this curling wand from Beauty Labs. This is my favorite, and we're gonna get some beautiful curls going on. So I do like to take a little bit of oil. I'm just using some hair and scalp oil because my other oil is really in my bedroom and I'm being lazy to go get it. But this will do. Just gonna take a little drop, really too, and put it all throughout the hair. That's all you need because you don't want your hair to look greasy. So I want to thank Donmily Hair for sending me this cute wig. I love it. I love a good blonde wig for the summer, okay? They take cute pictures with them and look like Miss Barbie. Call me Barbie. But anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. And until my next video, bye.